Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the iPhone 16 Plus and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. These phones might look similar at first glance, but there are plenty of differences once you dig into the details. The iPhone 16 Plus is all about giving you flagship features without the flagship price tag, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max pushes things even further with its advanced promotion display, A18 Pro chip, and a killer camera setup. Whether you're deciding between a more affordable option or going all out for the best Apple has to offer, this comparison will help you figure out which one is the right fit for your needs. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the price. The iPhone 16 Plus is definitely the more budget-friendly option, starting at $899 for the base 128GB model, whereas the iPhone 16 Pro Max comes in at a hefty $1,199 for the 256GB base version. That's a significant $300 difference, especially if you're trying to stay within a budget. Both phones offer great value, but the Pro Max with its larger base storage and premium features justifies the higher price tag. But if you're looking to save some cash, the iPhone 16 Plus is definitely more accessible. So when it comes to pricing for what you get, the iPhone 16 Pro Max edges ahead due to its additional storage and extra features, making it the better option if you want more for your money. Moving on to the design. Both phones look quite similar at first glance with their sleek and premium builds. They both feature a durable glass front and back with an aluminum frame, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max takes it up a notch with its titanium frame. This gives it a more premium feel and added durability, especially in the Pro Max's new color options, like the striking desert titanium. On the other hand, the iPhone 16 Plus is still elegant, but it doesn't feel as high-end as the Pro Max when you hold them side by side. Another major difference is the addition of the camera control button on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which gives you easier access to camera settings on the go. In terms of design and build quality, the Pro Max definitely takes the lead with its more premium materials and functional design upgrades. Both phones feature large, beautiful OLED screens, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max edges ahead with its slightly larger 6.9-inch display compared to the 6.7 inches on the iPhone 16 Plus. The resolution on the Pro Max is also higher, with 2,868 by 1,320 pixels versus the 2,796 by 1,290 pixels on the Plus. The difference in pixel density is not huge, but it's noticeable when you compare them side by side, especially when watching high-res content or gaming. The iPhone 16 Pro Max also benefits from promotion, which allows for a 120Hz refresh rate to make everything feel smoother from scrolling to gaming. On the other hand, the iPhone 16 Plus is stuck at 60Hz refresh rate, which feels a bit dated in this comparison. While both displays are fantastic, the Pro Max pulls ahead with its higher refresh rate and better resolution, making it the better choice for those who care about display quality. When it comes to performance, both phones pack Apple's new A18 chip, so you're getting lightning-fast performance on either model. However, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has the A18 Pro chip, which is even more powerful and designed to handle more demanding tasks like high-end gaming or editing 4K video. The Pro Max is also equipped with a better cooling system thanks to its graphite-clad aluminum substructure, meaning it can maintain peak performance for longer without overheating. In everyday use, both phones are more than capable of handling anything you throw at them, from multitasking to gaming. But if you're someone who needs extra power for creative tasks, or just wants to future-proof your phone, the Pro Max is the better performer here. The iPhone 16 Plus sports a capable dual camera system with a 48 megapixels main sensor and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, which delivers great photos and videos in good lighting conditions. It's a solid setup for everyday photography. On the other hand, the iPhone 16 Pro Max goes much further. It features the same 48 megapixels main camera, but adds a larger sensor, improving low light performance and faster shutter speeds. It also has a 48 megapixels ultra-wide lens and a telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The new camera control button on the Pro Max also adds more versatility, making it easier to adjust camera settings quickly. Also, you get advanced video features like 4K at 120 FPS and the ability to control playback speed in post. The Pro Max clearly wins here, especially for anyone serious about photography or videography, with its more advanced camera system and extra features. In terms of battery life, Apple has made sure both phones can easily get through a full day on a single charge. The iPhone 16 Plus has a slightly smaller battery than the Pro Max, but thanks to its low refresh rate display, it manages to hold its own. Apple claims up to 28 hours of video playback on the iPhone 16 Plus and up to 30 hours on the Pro Max. In real-world use, both phones last a full day of heavy use, but the Pro Max's more efficient performance combined with its larger battery means it can edge ahead, especially if you're pushing it hard with gaming, 4K video recording, or heavy multitasking. When it comes to battery life, the iPhone 16 Pro Max wins, but not by much, with just enough extra juice to make a difference on those really long days. As for my conclusion, if you're looking for a great iPhone experience without breaking the bank, the iPhone 16 Plus offers plenty of power, a fantastic display, and solid battery life. But if you want the absolute best in terms of design, performance, camera features, and future-proofing, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is clearly the better choice. It's got the edge in nearly every category, making it the ultimate iPhone for power users and tech enthusiasts alike.